This morning, two major storm systems slamming both coasts. The rain overnight, a sight for sore eyes in the New York metro area, which has been mired in a historic drought. Those dry conditions leading to hundreds of brush fires, including the Jennings Creek wildfire that chewed up more than 5,000 acres.
There's no words for it, for what, almost 3 months now without any steady rain.
While the rainfall douses a weeks-long fire risk, the Northeast is still dealing with a severe drought that's prompted a slew of precautionary measures in New York City, from a ban on fireworks to voluntary calls for water conservation. The storm system sweeping through a region desperate for water, from the Midwest through nearly all of New England.
We're excited to have any rain that we can get.
Out west, Washington State feeling the full force of a bomb cyclone, cutting power to nearly 400,000 customers that could last for days. At least 2 people also killed by falling trees, including a woman outside of Seattle who died when one crashed into her home. Just to the south, whiteout conditions in Weed, California, near Mount Shasta. A small taste of the several feet of snow expected to blanket the region. Northern California residents trying to prepare. An atmospheric river event could bring up to 5 feet of snow in the mountains and up to 15 inches of rain in parts of the Golden State. NBC's Steve Patterson is in Fortuna, California.
That river behind me, only about a foot high, but scientists say for the next 48 hours, it is going to rain so much that will be 23 feet high, submerging that entire area. It's a great example of the flood threat that people are facing at this moment.
In the meantime, close calls have jolted several communities, including Kelso, Washington, where a tree punctured a roof, nearly killing this mother's 2 children.
I'm sorry, it's a lot. It is because I wasn't here to protect them.
Back here, the latest information we have from the state is there are 6 fires currently burning, encompassing, guys, some 6,000 acres. But there is good news this morning. The emergency declaration for that Jennings Creek fire has now been lifted. Hoda, Savannah, back to you.
All right, Sam Brockforce there in Brooklyn. Sam, thanks.
As mentioned, Al's here. Got 2 storms to keep an eye on.
That's right, guys. So the one out west, that atmospheric river bringing heavy rain into northern California. And here we've got not just rain, but really our first winter storm of the season in the Northeast. Drought relief, cold temperatures, first snow of the season, the way it's looking right now out west, flooding, damaging winds, and power outages, as Sam just told us. Now, we're watching this system. It's a double-barrel low-pressure system bringing heavy rain. So far, almost 3/4 of an inch of rain, the most rain since September 29th for New York Central Park. 24 million people from upstate New York all the way to the Great Lakes under winter weather advisories, storm watches, and winter storm warnings. Double-barrel low-pressure system, one off the East Coast, the other in the Midwest. Heavy snow developing in the Appalachians. That one will kind of fizzle out, but this one retrogrades. It moves backwards and brings with it chilly conditions, breezy conditions, rain, and some snow. We're talking rainfall amounts 1 to 3 inches from Syracuse, Concord, Boston, down into New York City, and locally 15 to 20 inches of snow through the Appalachians. Now we move out west. Here comes that atmospheric river bringing heavy rain and snow. Before it's all over, we're talking about intense bands of really heavy moisture for the Northwest, coastal rain, feet of mountain snow. Tomorrow, it spreads into central California, an elevated flood risk for the Sierra. And in fact, we've got a high risk of rock and landslides along roadways from Eureka all the way down to Ukiah. And we're looking at anywhere from 7 to 10 inches of rain. But you get into the Sierra, more than 3 feet over the highest elevations from Mount Shasta all the way down to Sequoia National Park. Guys?
All right, Al, thank you so much.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.